Hi, my name is Patrick, and I will be giving you the weather today. As you can see, because of the continental polar air mass, the cold front has moved across the United States and is now nearing the Atlantic coast and the Gulf of Mexico. There is another cold front moving through the Great Lakes. A cold front occurs when a rapidly moving cold, dense air mass runs into a slow-moving, warm air mass. This causes abrupt weather changes and leaves behind clear skies and cold air, which you will see in a moment. There is also a stationary front that is moving through New Mexico, Arizona, and California. Another stationary front is in the Canadian provinces of Alberta and Saskatchewan. A stationary front is where cold air and warm air masses meet, and neither one can move the other. Here the map shows that the main body of the storm is following the cold front. There is also scattered showers and heavy rain over Florida. Rain is formed in the troposphere, where there is dust and moisture. Because of this, there must be cumulus clouds over the areas of the highest rainfall. As you can see on the map, the area that was affected by the cold front is generally colder than the area that was not affected by the cold front. The lowest possible temperature was in North Dakota. It is 23 degrees Fahrenheit. The highest temperature is 96 degrees in southern Texas. Here in Milwaukee, the high is 52 degrees Fahrenheit and the low is 38 degrees Fahrenheit. The Earth's surface is warmed by radiation of the sun's rays. Radiation is direct energy from the source that moves through space. The air near the surface is also warmed by conduction. Conduction is the direct transfer of heat from one source to another. The surface is also heated by convection. It is warmed by convection because when the air is heated up, it spreads out, and when it spreads out, it goes up, and then as it farther away it gets from the earth, it gets colder, and then it comes back down. Convection is the transfer of heat by movement of fluid. The horse latitudes affect the United States. The horse latitudes is where warm air from the equator comes up to the U.S. and then sinks back down to the equator because it gets colder and denser. The prevailing westerlies also affect the United States. They move from west to east, and wind occurs when the air from a high-pressure area moves to a low-pressure area. High-pressure areas have more air, and low-pressure areas have less air. The high pressure wants to move to the low pressure. And when the high pressure moves to the low pressure, wind occurs.